What's up guys, Harsh here, back in the video, and today I have a little something special for you. So today I am unboxing the 1 to 200 scale Royal Australian Air Force F35A Lightning II, and this particular model is made by HERPA, as you can see over here. So 1 to 200 scale are pretty famous for their small size, and you can easily display them in small cases in large numbers. So that's why I bought this, and I have bought a couple of more, so I will be unboxing them as well. And here we have some more information about this particular aircraft. So it is the Royal Australian Air Force Lockheed Martin F35A Lightning II number 3 squadron of the Royal Australian Air Force Base Williamton. I don't know how to pronounce that, and its registration number is also given, which is A35-010, and the aircraft looks pretty nice. We will just unbox it in a minute, and let's take a look at the back. So we have the Lockheed Martin logo over here and the copyright information written over here and some warnings written on the bottom. So now let's unbox it and see what we have. So it comes in a nice blister pack, as you can see, and this really helps protect the model itself. So let's just take it out. It just lifts up like this. Then we have some plastic wrappings. It is to protect the paint job on the aircraft. So being very careful, I will take it out, grab it by the wings just like so, and place it over here and remove all the other objects. So here is the model, and as you can see, compared to my hand, it is pretty small, but that's the whole point. So if we look at the top of the aircraft, you can see we have some nice detailing over here, like the panels and all that stuff. And on the right side we have the gun port, and you can see that the hole is not very properly finished, so some people might think that it is broken or something like that, but it is actually not. Then we have the nozzle at the back, and this is the main, I think, downside of HERPA. They don't put much effort in their nozzles, so it kind of looks toyish, I think, but what we can do about it is absolutely nothing. So moving to the sides, we can see so on the rudder we can see the logos and the light bar, I think, and the number 10, and on the top we can see the Australian flag as well, and at the bottom here is the registration number A35010. So pretty nice details for a pretty small print. And then if you look at the wings, you can see we have the green orientation light, same with the left wing, we have the red orientation light, and we have the ailerons cut out, but they don't actually move, and some more logos over here. Here is the landing gear, as you can see, pretty detailed. You can see the spikes in the landing gear as well as the suspension. If we see the back side, you can see how it will move up and down, and it comes with its own cover. So the landing wheel cover is currently in its out position, and you cannot remove the landing gear on this particular model, and I think it's pretty much same for all the 1 to 200 scale models. But it's really good to see some companies doing like a non-landing gear version. Now at the bottom we can see some more warnings and logos, and here you can see the complete design of the aircraft with some panels over here and over here. These are basically grooves cut out on the metal body, or I think it's in the mold itself, the diecast mold. Now if you move to the front and the cockpit side, we have the engine intake, and there are some more logos and tiny details written over here. So let me just try to see what it is actually is. And with the common eye, I was disappointed because I cannot read what it is written over here. I would need a magnifying lens, which I currently do not have. So I think we will keep it like that and move on with the aircraft itself. So as you can see, there is a little bit of gap between the nose and the body, so I think that is a manufacturing defect, but it is kind of expected with these small models. These are mass produced, and I mean, what else can we expect from them? And here is the cockpit. There is a little bit of reflection on the cockpit, but I don't know if that's from my lens polarizer or there is actually some sort of reflective coating on the cockpit shield itself, but it still looks nice. And we have the seat and the main control hub on the front, or with all the displays and all, but these are not actually in the cockpit itself, so not a very detailed cockpit, but still it is pretty nicely detailed for this particular scale. And all in all, the weight of the aircraft is pretty good, and if you want to buy this aircraft, this is amazing piece, so you can display it on your desk or in a showpiece if you have many other aircrafts like this as well. It's pretty delicate, so be gentle with it. I am holding it just like this, so with the wings it is fine, or if you hold it like this with the body, the main body itself, it will be okay. But if you try to hold it like with this rudder, let's say like this, then this will be a issue for you. The nozzle has already came out. I have to stick it in place, so you can see that these models are pretty delicate, so be careful with them. They are just meant to be looked at, not rotated around and holding like this. But I'm just doing this for the review. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you like it, and if you have any suggestion, please do tell me, as I will be uploading more video like this. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all later.